guys, today I'll be showing you doing a bunch of things with birdies. I bet a lot of you guys will watch this instead of boring cat. I was gonna show you the cat. Hold on, I just need I'm not sure how I will pick him up while doing this though. Alright, hold on. You pick him up with 2 fingers on the bottom of him. And I always make sure that he doesn't poop on me. So I always try to get his butt off the edge. Alright, you guys. Now, I'm going to see if he might fly because he flies sometimes. But this is super hard to see, guys. Alright, yeah. He just flew on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna try putting him on my spoon and moving. Alright. 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 I got it. Wait, where is he? Well, he's in my hand. You guys can't see. Hold on. You guys? Oh, wait. What? Guys, what's happening? Oh, wait. So the screen should be over here. So, yep, knew it. So this one's hard to get on the screen. So he kind of flies a lot. Like, look at this. Like, let's see him, like, flap his wings like that. I know how to do that, so. All I gotta do is, hold on. Well, you probably don't want to do this, but I'm only going to do it once in this video to show you. So he just flapped his wings. I'm not sure if you guys saw it or not. Alright, you guys. It just dropped on the floor. Alright. I never usually bring this outside though. Alright, now. He loves to go on the street a lot. Yeah. He loves to go on this tree a lot, so should work. What do you want? Oh, I just bumped my thumb. Aw, he went on the tree. And guys, look, this is so cute. When I put my hand into it, like, hold on. Thinks I'm gonna feed him. And we basically just feed him dry cat food with water in it. It's so gross. But his poops look normal. Alright, I'm gonna take him down from this tree. Alright. I gotta grab the bottom of this. Whoa. This is such a weird video. I never knew that I was actually going to make a video on a birdie, but you know the story? So we found this cardinal nest and like 1 year or 2 years later, only me and my dad saw it, and then it moved up to the tree. So then we finally found it there, and 2 baby birds were like that, and my dad, as usually, driving a lawnmower like all boring dads do. Yeah, he ran over them, and they were too small. Luckily, they survived because they were too small. And this one's the last one. They made 2, but except the other one got stolen by something. I think it ran out of its nest and then it got taken because one day, we found it and we were watching it from outside in its box nest. Olivia brought to check it inside 5 hours later, and it wasn't there. And then she went in the backyard, and like 10 minutes later, she found it hiding in the bushes. It should have been like, it was right over here. I bet it was over here on top of this. Yeah. Let's see it close up. Yesterday night, there was this white hair on top of it. People call it old man hair on birds. If it's a man or old girl hair, I don't even get it. So he had white hair yesterday afternoon, and then at night I was watching Flamingo as usually. And when I came down, I finished my dinner and I went to go check on the bird. My sister was around it, but I saw it, and it had like, and I saw that it didn't have any white hair on top of it. It was just like a mohawk, and that's it. So yeah. So I take him inside the chicken coop. Alright. Buddy. Where is he? He'll be right here. Whoa. And it might take you guys a while to figure out how to hold a bird, but except you guys probably will never have a bird on your hand. Like usual, these babies are usually not seen around here, so yeah. And only babies can usually do it. Alright. Alright, yeah. I'm opening up this. How will I open this when I'm holding an iPad? I can't open it. Yeah, I can't open it. I'm sorry, guys. I just can't. Alright. Get off of me. Ow. Alright. See if he thinks that this is a real live turtle. I almost said turtle. That would have been weird for my channel. Toto. So I need my channel that Toto. No, that sounds like a baby name a little bit. He's just pecking at him. I'm gonna see if he's still there when we leave him alone. I'm looking at you, buddy. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. I'm looking. Okay, now I'm not looking. Alright, let's go. Oh, for some reason I feel like you. Nah. There. What? Ooh, there's poop. Chicken poop right under him. Alright, let's see if we can find. Ooh, found some real live chicken poop. Ew, look at that gooey stuff. Yuck. Oh, alright, I'm going back to the chicken. Still there. I mean, not chicken, I'm going to the bird. Alright. No need to get in. Alright. I'm going to see if I can get it on its head. Here you go. Whoa. Alright, I got him back on my hand. And you guys don't pull its leg, because my mom said it would fall off. So. Yeah, I did that like 2 times, but mostly only one was super dangerous though. So yeah. Yeah. Go on, Matt. Go on. I was just about to switch the camera when I was having technical difficulties, but except you can't change it. It's already too late. I faced it outside the camera. Sorry, little bud, you're not gonna get famous. Subscribe if you want these little poor birds to live. Don't you want that poor little dude to live? Look, you want him to live, right? Look. Look at his poor little eyes. He's homeless. Look, he has a very tiny and $1 horrible coat. Totally not $1 million fur. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe, or else you'll become a bird and you'll be poor and homeless. Bye.